Hi everybody. So this vehicle is a 2004 Ford Explorer, and today I'm setting up two new key fobs. I picked these up on Amazon for about $15 for the pair, and here's the part number for them. So it's pretty easy to program these key fobs to the vehicle, and there's two ways that this can be done. One way is to use a scan tool, so either the factory Ford scan tool or one of the aftermarket scan tools may have the programming function. But Ford also provides instructions for programming without a scan tool, which is what I'm going to do. It's a pretty easy procedure, but I'm going to review it first because there are some time limits which need to be considered. So it's easier if you read the instructions first before getting started. First, the vehicle has to be unlocked, so just press the unlock button on the driver's door. Then, in order to put the system into programming mode, the ignition key has to be cycled from off to on 8 times, and on the 8th turn, leave it in the on position. At this point, the door locks will cycle, so you know it's in programming mode. Then, within 20 seconds, press any button on the key fob, and that fob will be programmed to the vehicle. Then, do the same thing for the remaining fob. At that point, you're done, so turn off the ignition key, and the locks will cycle one last time to let you know the process is finished. Okay, so now that we've reviewed the procedures, let's get these key fobs programmed to this truck. So first, unlock the doors. Then cycle the key 8 times. Then press any button on the key fobs. And finally, turn off the ignition key. And at this point, the key fobs should be programmed. So let's test them. That one works. So there you have it. Programming 2 key fobs on a 2004 Ford Explorer. Pretty cool. Well, if you have any questions or any comments, post them below. And thanks for watching. And if you like my videos, please subscribe.